guys, I hope you're doing well. I know I have been out for a while, but I'm back and I just made this look for Lohri. It can be even worn in Makar Sankranti, so I think this is more of a Lohri and Makar Sankranti kind of a makeup look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. And I really like how my eyes turn out to be. And yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. First step of this makeup is moisturizing your skin very well. So I'm just using the Votre multivitamin cream. Now I'll use the aloe vera gel and I'll also prep my lips to start with the makeup. So for this makeup look, I'm starting with my eye makeup and let's begin. The palette that I'm using is the Sivana HD Pro palette and I'll be using a crease shade, this light brown shade on my crease, and I'm going to use an angular brush for blending this color into my crease flawlessly. So one thing went out of my mind, that I had used a scrub before doing my foundation or starting this makeup look. So make sure that you have scrubbed your face just to give a very flawless and smooth finish. It works very well to give you a nice base makeup. Now for the outer corner of my eyes, I'm using that darker brown shade in the outer corner with a pointed eyeshadow brush. Now for the lid area, we are going to use the copper glittery shade of this palette, and I'm going to use my fingers for applying this on my lids to get the most out of this eyeshadow, because it's really pigmented and I don't want to mess up with the glitter. Fingers work the best when you are applying a dark shadow on your lids. Now for the brows, I'm using a black eyebrow pencil and just filling it very gently. To give a very neat eye makeup look and to give a very clean eyebrows, I'm using a concealer and outlining it. The concealer that I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. After our eye makeup is done, we'll move to the base makeup, and the foundation that I've used is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I think I spilled too much of it on my hand. Yeah, that's the guilty face. And we are going to dot it on our face equally so that it's very easy to blend. And we'll use a beauty blender to blend the foundation in. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I'm going to make an inverted V underneath my eyes to just give that brightening effect. And we are going to use it on the bridge of our nose, cupid's bow, in between our brows as well, just the normal places where I apply my concealer. I baked my under eyes like you saw, and now I'm going to contour. The contour that I'm using is the Kiss Beauty palette, and I'm just drawing the contour lines first using a brush, and then we'll blend it again with a beauty blender. I'm also going to do my nose contour because it makes a huge impact, because I have a pakoda nose, like I said, and that makes a huge impact on my overall makeup. And then to conceal my double chin and make my face more photogenic, I'm going to contour these areas as well, like you see. And then all is left is to blend, so we'll just blend it. Now coming to blush, I'm going to use the lightest and the darkest shades of this palette and just going to apply it on my cheeks in an upward motion just above my contours. As for the eyeliner, I'm going for a really sleek winged eyeline, like with lot of concentration. We'll do it so that the eyeshadow also pops up really well. I'm using a kajal on my waterline, and for the lashes using mascara, a lot of it, both on the upper and lower eyelashes. Going for a red, more of a maroonish lipstick, and I'm removing the excess lip balm that I've applied earlier, and I'm going to use the L18 Color Pop lipstick in the shade Red Rock and just applying it. And that is the end of this video. So we're just going to apply the lipstick, and that's the last step of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked this makeup tutorial and felt that this was really easy. If you did, then please subscribe.